Alright, give my review on the Costco pump and splash Shady Oasis water table deal. It was somewhat fun setting up. I did some modifications myself just because there's just some manufacturer flaws, but all in all, still a good table. When you set these up, they like to spin, like they just twirl, and when you pour water, it just scatters off to the side. So I stuck half pieces of zip tie down, got it like kind of clogged in there, so that it's kind of harder to move. And I kind of did that with all of them, because it was kind of all the same situation. This was kind of weird. Like there's a gasket in here, a little flap when you lift it up, but all it does is just pour out water. So I just kind of left that alone. I don't want to mess with it and wear it out. But another thing I noticed, and especially there's another reviewer, this pump, it's very loose when it's in there. So when it's in there pumping away, it would just kind of catty corner and pump out. But I ended up putting zip ties in this one, kind of clamped it together with the coupler deal for the housing. And then, this pumped out a good amount of water, but the kids kept asking me to keep pumping all day, and I like to let them have fun while I'm taking care of things. So I bought an inexpensive $20, maybe $30 pool top cover pump, and comes with a hose. Found it on Amazon, came the next day, and it's made it hose long enough to come up around and just pour it on top. Otherwise, you can just stick a hose in here and then put on like half, and it'll pour all day, and the kids will have fun. Then that the canopy, very nice. Like everything is pretty basic. There's a YouTube instructional how to build this, so it's not like it's too complicated. One thing I did notice, this was kind of a heartache. So the screws go throughout the whole entire assembly. They're not pre-drilled, so you will need a drill. It's kind of frustrating because in the instruction video, the guy's just using a screwdriver. His hand must hurt. I know mine would have, but drill, and other than that, it pretty much is a screwdriver and a drill, and it should really take hold. Well, in that, it's a good toy. We made sure that we got in there, and yeah, everyone should just enjoy it.